Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you the white concealer, the viral TikTok white concealer hack. I am about to reach. Never in my life would I think that I was going to be doing glam makeup and using white concealer. Maybe for some eyeshadow base, but never like underneath the eyes, which is so weird. We saw the last time how the concealer TikTok hack helped me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try it and see how we like it. I'm wearing the Savage Fenty bralette. This is what it looks like. So cute. If you guys have any questions about the Savage X, like as a big girl, like will it fit, DM me. We could talk about it if you guys want a haul. I mean, I don't know if I'm really comfortable with a haul yet, but I do have a whole lot of sets, so I'll answer your questions and we'll go from there. Another thing, y'all, currently I smell like Mugler. Rest in peace to him. This perfume is so fire. I bought the little one just to try it, and I turned around, like I fast tracked my ass back to the damn I think I bought this one from Ulta. This is what it looks like. So cute. Alright, so we're gonna get into the new TikTok hack with the white concealer. Let's see how it works. You know, we're just gonna go with it, step out of our comfort zone, and we're going to just go with this, step out of our comfort zone, and we're going to pray for the best. And once again, I'm sorry for whatever the hell's going on outside. I live in New York. These are not soundproof windows. Let's get into it. We're going to do some of those. And then we're actually going to go in with some lip injections. I'm taking it back right now. Oh, and this is the extreme. Y'all know I don't need it. But it's one of those things where it's like, why not, right? So we're going to put some lip injections. This is the maximum plump. It's going to burn like a bitch. It already burns like a bitch. Alright, so I think basically what we're doing today is we're literally just going to, look at it, it's like working. Can you see that? Yes. It's like working. Oh my god. My lips is spicy. My lips is spicy. Alright, so I think basically what we're gonna do is just layer on some white foundation, white concealer, and then we're going to watch my lips right now. This is crazy. How was I doing this before? This was crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going in to prep the skin with some MAC Strobe Cream Peach Light and some primer, Soft Matte by Fenty Beauty. Take some white concealer and we're gonna put it on the under eye. And then we're gonna go on top of it with some foundation. So let's do that. Now I'm using the LA Pro Girl and flat white concealer. Alright, this is a clean beauty blender, and we're just gonna go in and lay it flat, blend it out. We're going to use the new the Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Foundation. I have the color 15 Neutral. I literally bought this color online. I'm so good at picking my foundation color online. I bought that Anastasia Beverly Hills online. And if you guys want me to give you a tutorial on how to try to find your best foundation color, you have to just basically have a lot of knowledge about your skin, but I'll tell you how I found it. So yeah, so we're just gonna get a couple pumps there, a pump there, and I'm going to take a, don't laugh at my brush, y'all. Okay. Basically it just covers on top, but it's this part that I'm kind of worried about. It did cover my dark marks pretty well. So I'm taking the E.L.F. Camo Concealer in the color Rich Ebony and just cream contouring the face, you know, getting her snatched or whatever. That's what I was saying, y'all. Snatched. This is cream blush, DAQUIRI dip. I like it to bring it into the eye a little bit. Go in with the Fenty Honey that I just bought, the loose powder. So I'm just setting all the places that I would normally set under the eye, on the bridge of the nose. Mind you guys, I didn't put any concealer there. According to TikTok, you don't put any concealer there. So now I'm just going in with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony and just setting those places. By the way, you guys can find this at Walmart. I love this pressed powder, fire. It's giving very much like not set. Look at that. So you saw me sweeping away the loose powder and it kind of like wiped the product off, kind of, sort of. So I went in again with a second time with the powder. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. So what I did was I just took some, first of all, I did my blush. It's on top of the blush. Then I took some Anastasia Beverly Hills pressed powder in the color Mahogany that I've been using. And just, instead of wiping, I just like dabbed it out to put some color payoff. because that was looking real bright and crazy. Real bright and crazy. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the bottom. Blend that out. Going in to set a base for the eyes. I'm using my concealer that I use on my eyebrows. And then just setting that with some more pressed powder as well. You can do this when you're doing your whole like face, like you can do this simultaneously, but I don't know, I just always leave the eyes out for whatever reason. I just, you know, like you can't decide whether you want to do eyeshadow or not. I chose no eyeshadow. And then I'm showing you guys a great hack. You know how like when you go out, you don't want to do too much. So what I do is I take some of my contour powder and I just throw it under the eye, on top of the eye. This is like a transition shade and it gives it a little bit more definition without it looking like too much. And then, like, you know, once you open up that eyeshadow palette, ain't no telling where you're gonna be. So I just completely like curve that. And with my NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Pencil, it's not white, it's more of like a nude color because it's closer to my, like, instead of doing white, which would really stand out on my like complexion, I do nude. And then I go in again with some more of that pressed powder. Yeah, I'm focusing on my father. I have very bad boundaries with him. If you guys have any Caribbean parents, like, it's just, they don't understand boundaries. Like, that's not like a real thing. And if you're from the Caribbean, put your flag down below. I want to know where you're from. So yeah, I've been shopping, like hitting Ulta and Sephora at the same damn time type stuff. So I got a whole bunch of new products that I've been dying to show you guys. I'm putting the icing on the cake, you know, the inner corners with the ABH Zam by AINA, the AINA palette. Doing a little bit of a highlight on the nose. I know we really don't do highlight no more, but I gotta highlight the nose because come on now, she's so cute. I'm just putting a little bit of liner on top of the lash just to kind of hide it. I think girls forget this step a lot. I forget this step, but yeah, it just, I don't know, it kind of helps the lash band blend in. The Juvia's Place Lip LINER-KOLA. This is the color Sparkling Rose. It's an E.L.F. plumping gloss. So I ended up making this darker, which is really interesting because they say that cola is a dupe for Chestnut, when in reality it really is not. Like, I just feel like nothing beats Miss Chestnut. Like, she is that girl, like, and always will be that girl. Only thing I didn't do was concealer on my mouth, and I don't like that. But yeah, I'm gonna concealer on my mouth. Y'all, so that was a way for me to hide my mustache, but like, let's be honest. You trying to hide your mustache does not make the like, you can't put makeup over hair. That's like not realistic. spray down now. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So guys, this is the final look. How do you guys like it? I definitely feel like doughy eyed. Like, hi guys, I'm Ziani. Nice to meet you. What was my last name again? Like, I definitely feel really doughy eyed and cute. So I definitely give a thumbs up to this white concealer hack. I think I'll definitely maybe play around with the colors. So I'll do like my complexion, my regular highlight color, and then the white on top, just to give it that extra oomph, because it definitely kind of did what needed to be done. I did the flash test, so you guys can definitely see that. Right now I smell like Mugler, alien goddess. Okay, like, she is beautiful. What's her name? Willow Smith was the face of this. They made her look like an alien, but she already has those like beautifully shaped eyes. Just so that you guys know what it smells like, you can get it at Sephora, Ulta, the Mugler website. Well, it's currently $73 and then $87 at Sephora. As bergamot essence, jasmine grandiflorum, and bourbon vanilla. So it smells like vanilla. It's very warm. It does have like a floral smell, but like a hint of this citrus. It's like not even a detectable citrusy smell, but it's like a hint of it. And it smells so damn good. Oh my god, I just want to eat it. Not eat, like, I don't even know, just ugh. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll just see you next time. See y'all later.